From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
Kwake, Sabina, and Owusu shared an amount of $12,000. That's a whole lot of money right there. Kwake had 20% of the amount. Let's start with this. Kwake's share simply 20% of $12,000. So this is how you solve this line by line. This is 20 over 100 times 12,000 over 1. This, and go with this. And 2 times 1,200 is $2,400. This is Kwakwe's share. Okay. And the remaining amount was shared between Sabina and Owusu. Let's get what the remaining amount will be. Remaining amount will be $12,000 minus Kwakwe's share. This will leave us with $9,600. And this was what was shared between Sabina and Owusu in the ratio of 5:3. We are asked to look for how much Sabina received. So Sabina is the one with the 5. And so Sabina's share was 5 over the sum of their ratio, 8, times the remainder, 9,600 over 1. 8 here is 1. 8 into 9 is 1, remainder 1. Into 16 is 2, 0, 0. So 5 times 1,200 is $6,000. So this was Sabina's share, which is C.